Hello. Today we're going to be discussing all about bipolar disorder. What is bipolar disorder, you might ask? Well, bipolar disorder is a brain disorder caused by unusual mood swings and fluctuations in energy and level of activity. There is no single theory for the direct cause of bipolar disorder, but we do know it is the dysfunction of the neurotransmitters. With bipolar disorder comes manic, hypomanic, and depressive episodes. Manic episodes are when there are extremely high highs. Hypomanic is similar to manic, but not as extreme. It is feeling good as opposed to feeling jittery. Depressive episodes are extreme lows and can include feelings of hopelessness. What are the signs and symptoms, you might ask? Well, symptoms of manic episodes would be wanting to take extreme risks that could jeopardize your life, feeling wired, jumpy, jittery, talking super fast, and being easily agitated. Feelings of hypomanic could be feeling good, feeling productive. Depressive episodes could lead to very low energy, decreased activity, hard time concentrating, eating too little, eating too much, or even having suicidal thoughts. Now, there are different types of bipolar disorder. There's bipolar 1 disorder. Bipolar 1 disorder is also known as classic manic depressive disorder. This is the type that is portrayed most in the media. Manic episodes last 1 week at a time. Depressive episodes last at least 2 weeks at a time. And it could be so extreme that it might require hospitalization. Bipolar 2 disorder is less severe than type 1, more hypomanic episodes than manic, which is why it's less extreme. And the third is cyclothymic. Technically, it's the least severe of the three, but hypomanic and depressive episodes mix regularly, and they are on shorter cycles. Many people can be misdiagnosed with other things such as depression because the symptoms are very similar to things like depression. But the key difference is the mood swings. That's what sets it apart from other mental illnesses. Treatment could be in one of three ways. You could have medication, psychotherapy, and ECT. Medication are things like antidepressants and mood stabilizers, while psychotherapy is involved because not all bipolar disorders stem from genetics. You could also have environmental trauma that could play a role. ECT is also known as electroconvulsive therapy or electroshock therapy. This is when you have a small electrical current that's pulsed into the brain. This causes a seizure, which in turn can lead to curing the manic depressive episodes. Now, this is not sought after because it is a short-term treatment, and it is only used if the other two methods don't work. Also, this can happen when there are extreme suicidal thoughts that are expressed. Here's how it works. There are 3 steps. Step 1, muscle relaxant because of the seizures. Step 2, anesthetic. Step 3, the electrode pads that are attached to your head, which are connected to a machine that delivers the shocks. This is also known to reboot the brain. To conclude, it is most important to know that you are not alone and that help is available. You can call your local primary physician. You could, if things are really extreme, you could call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline at 1-800-273-8255. Thank you.